What's up, y'all? We're here today at a Frisco Card Show. Mainly sports cards, but they do got some Pokemon, so we're gonna see if we can do some deals today. So, kind of doing this thing, y'all, where I kind of want to vend. So I'm getting ready for like a vending show on July, like the middle of July. There you go, Pokemon. I got a $2,000 budget to buy up inventory today to set up the booth, and then we'll see how that goes. So we're just gonna be walking around. We got Min here with us today. Yeah.
What's up, it's your boy, Skinny Penis. I might buy a Kobe card today.
Kobe card?
Yeah. Just
Well, if you find one.
Yeah, like a really
It's probably
cool
gonna be really expensive though.
Girl, I don't give a fuck.
So $2,000 budget, y'all. We gotta buy up inventory today for my booth that will be on July, middle of July. You guys will probably see it soon, but super excited. It's gonna be NTX Card Show that I vend at. So keep you guys updated on that. But all right, I'll show you guys all the deals. 580, pretty firm on 580 too. 590. 590. Thank you, sir. All right, we made a deal, picking up the Greninja for 590. 3, 4, 5, 6. We're doing a coin flip, double or nothing, so either free or 1,000
For all three?
for all three. Okay, you ready? I'll call in there. Heads. Oh, what is it? I called heads. Oh no! I just gotta pay 1,000 now, bro. Oh man, it was a prank. Yeah.
I just pranked you.
520, 550.
It's not bad.
That's not bad. No, you're honestly.
You're gonna take the cards with you.
Oh, and you're gonna. That's an extra 10. Okay, if I'm taking the cards,
It's a good deal.
that's a good deal. So we're deciding on these three as a set for either 520. Yeah, coin flip for 520 or 550, and I get to keep the cards either way. That's a really good deal, man. He's basically begging me with his puppy dog eyes right now. He said, flip the coin.
He knows he's getting a cut today.
Okay. He said, I'm about to go get my own.
Sell everything. Yeah.
Okay. Let's do it. 525, 550. Okay. I'll call it in the air.
Ready?
Yeah. Heads. Heads. Wait, is that heads? Is that heads? I won. Appreciate you, bro. Wow. That was the first one I've ever.
Now you can edit the video both from like when it's fake to the real.
Right, to the real one. Hey, get this, okay? Beautiful. So we got 2020 Darkness Ablaze Chase card, Charizard. I got the Shining Fates Charizard, PSA 10. And then I got this one, the Champion's Path Secret, PSA 10. Crazy, let's go. All right, building up the inventory. Let's calculate my expenses so far. 590 plus 520. Ooh.
So you got.
I have 890 bucks left in my challenge.
Okay, so what are you using that for?
I might go look at singles to fill my binder up. I'm trying to get like a good looking page so people can come through my booth. So let's go. Typhlosion for a couple of these cards right here. Appreciate you, boss. Thanks.
Thank you, appreciate it.
There you go.
Trading these in.
Okay.
I'm so bummed out. I want to go home and cry. When I cry, but
Megas. You love the Megas.
That would be-
You love the Megas.
Do you have $2 cash I can borrow?
No, Megan. Trading
Alrighty.
for
Thank you, man. Thank you so much.
All right. Here you go. Appreciate you, boss. I'm at 1250. That's like my cap. No, you're all good. You're all good. Yeah. Yeah, that was just like one of those like spontaneous. Yeah. So I was trying to pick up another one.
did you like 25? 30? Because I paid like $20 to grade it, so it's like
Okay.
30 I'm like basically breaking even.
I'll do 30.
All right. Another one for the slab case. For 30. Oh, my boy bought more money than me today. No. Just got out of the Frisco Card Show. They held it at Frisco Hall. We drove about 40 minutes away to do some pretty cool pickups for, some inventory pickups. Got 3 Charizards, 2020, boom. And then I got this one has been on my list for a while, this Greninja. Super clean, but I got it for a really good deal. And I picked up a cool Sceptile card. See what you're working with over there.
I actually picked up a lot today.
More than you ever have?
More than I ever have. Like, I actually walked out with a lot. So walking in, I was actually wanting to start my Mega Evolution collection. So that's what I went for today, is a bunch of Mega Evolution. Not trying to spend with no like a lot of cash, so I try to trade up a lot. So I got a Mega Lucario, Mega Blastoise, Mega Houndoom.
That was the first Mega you got, right?
Yeah, that was my first ever Mega. Venusaur. I don't really care about Venusaur and Blastoise like that, so that's why I didn't get
them are damaged, right?
And I didn't get the full art one. So Slowbro. But yeah, these are the Megas I picked up today.
Okay, like
to start
five
to kickstart. Shout out to my boy Nate for inspiring me to start my Mega collection.
I gave him a quick shout.
And then I picked up a Typhlosion.
Destined Rivals Typhlosion. How much?
I think I traded for this. He just took some of my cards.
That's right. This one's my favorite.
This one,
I was gonna buy it today, but he got it.
Look at that.
Are you putting that in the binder? Or are you keeping
yeah,
that?
it's gonna be in the binder.
Okay.
And then slab wise today, we picked up a Japanese Infernape.
This is a clean card.
Yeah, I just think it reminds me of Wukong, so that I didn't mind it being Japanese, so it's kind of cool. And then Black Mamba.
Around.
And then actually my favorite number is number 7, and I was saying how his leg
right over 7.
went around the number 7, so I thought it was pretty cool. I didn't care if it was like extremely rare or anything like that. I just want to have a Kobe card, and I think this was a pretty good pickup.
Okay. So overall, y'all, we had a good card show. And honestly, bro, we're picking up traction, bro. We're picking up a lot of good inventory. We're gonna get this vending stuff situated. The next card show we're gonna be at is on my birthday, so hopefully we shop a lot of inventory for that. And then, we get ready for July 13th and 14th. That's when, hopefully, we can vend. But I'll see with my inventory first, y'all. Successful day, y'all. We about to go grab something to eat. I'll see you guys later. Deuces.